Hey y'all! It is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and I'm back with another video. It was supposed to be an unboxing, but had a little bit of an issue. Nonetheless, I'm doing this review at this angle just to do the big review or review reveal. Yes, y'all, how cute is this? I really wish you guys would have seen how I opened the package because, like, it's stuffed in one of those plastic kind of packaging, so it wasn't an unboxing, so I can't say it's an unboxing, maybe an unwrapping. But this friendly little guy was in there. This is, let's read the tag, Moris Mose, and it is a big, near life-size teddy bear. If you're a fan of Ted, the movie, remember the Ted movies? I think with Mark Wahlberg or something. I believe there were two movies. I don't know if they were working on a third. But tell me this would not be the perfect, I'm still taking out the plastic, the perfect gift for Valentine's Day. And it goes so perfectly with my already Dollar Tree decor. If you put this in the background, be my Valentine, and you put this nice cute little teddy bear on his tummy or like a necktie. He is adorable. He is soft to the touch. Very cute. You have to kind of move the stuffing around for sure. He's just been unzipped, so, just excuse if he looks a little funny. But he's really big. It's a giant teddy bear. You lay some of these, like, roses out. And, and a nice bottle of wine and chocolate. Hold on. She comes prepared. She comes prepared. A nice Pinot Noir. A nice box of chocolates that I don't have on handy because it's been cold, y'all. But nonetheless, this is a great Valentine's Day gift. Perfect for family, for friends, for anybody who you feel needs a little comfort as well. I think it's a perfect Valentine's Day gift idea. And again, you can always get the accessories or gift wrapping at the Dollar Tree. So just goes to show, this is available on Amazon, I believe, Amazon.com. It has these beautiful brown eyes, very soft plush nose, little brown nose. And he has this cute little mouth that's open, adorable. And you lay this out for your partner, girlfriend, boyfriend, what have you. A little bit of nice soft music. Tell them that you really love them. And it's a perfect gift for the impending Valentine's Day season. So if you like my gift ideas or are tempted to get yourself a teddy bear of your own accord, remember it is available on Amazon. The company is Moris Mose. Big teddy bear, I think he is listed under, or she. And this is just great gift ideas for the impending season. So I hope you like what you see. This is a really quick. I wish you would have seen how he unzipped. He was kind of jam-packed into a air suction kind of plastic packaging, but still, nonetheless, so it wasn't an actual unboxing. Anyway, if you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share. Tell us in the comment section down below. Is this something that you would be interested for your partner for the impending season, the l'amour season? Also, I'm still running a GoFundMe. I will link my GoFundMe in the description box below. If you have a little bit of time and some time to donate, perhaps you can donate. That will really help the cause and help out this channel as well. And if you like my videos, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY haul, unboxing, unwrapping, and review. And we're trying to get back to the reviews, so stay tuned for that, please. And until next time, y'all, with a nice, cute little paw. XOXO, really XOXO. Nerdy girl.